back, ladies and gentlemen. It is Saturday the 22nd of July. Out here, got my little brolly up here. It's raining yet again, which we do need some rain. As you can see here, the hedge is looking pretty snappy. Just need a little prune though. I'll get the hedge trimmers out tomorrow when it's a nice day. Looking through here, beautiful scented lilies. As you come down here, we have some beautiful fuchsias here. Just get them with the rain coming off those. Come down here, some hollyhocks. Down here, some perennial geraniums, which always look nice. Then we have our tree lilies there, which are really nice and well scented. Whoa, excuse me. Down here, these are the day lilies. Absolutely love them. Absolutely gorgeous there. Some more tree lilies. Then we have some self-seeded white. I call it an apple white hollyhock. These beautiful phlox here, which are scented, which I absolutely love. Cosmia lucifer, this one's called. Absolutely amazing. The bees love it. Get a good view of those there. Just going around here. We have our foxglove that just set seed there. Another lily just starting to open. Come down here. Japanese anemones, which are actually just opened today. Which are absolutely amazing. I'm really pleased with those. Come down here, beautiful lilies yet again. One of the best year I've had of those actually. Some more phlox down here. Behind some hollyhocks. Here we have peony, which has gone over now. Trying to finish. Some ivy going up the tree. With the clematis just wrapped round there. And beautiful pink hollyhock there. At the back there we have some, you can get this at the back there, some sweet peas, some daylilies. The sweet peas are the perennial ones. They're not scented, but they're beautiful pink flowers, so they love. Coming down here, some more phlox and a peony there. A bit further down, some more hollyhocks. This is what they can suffer with this really badly, rust. It doesn't affect the flowers, but it does make them look quite untidy. And then looping there, that's set seed. And the seeds have come out of those. Come down here, we have this beautiful penstemon that's been grown from seed. And I absolutely love the colours there. Beautiful white inside with the red tips. Here we have agapanthus. That one's grown from seed. In here, these are some petunia seedlings, which I'm surprised with. They've actually started to grow. Unlike the foxgloves actually. Probably foxgloves. Come down here. Some jasmine, cottage cream, which needs tying back, which I'm not going to do today because of the rain. And then come under here, some more, excuse me, folks. Then we have here some agapanthus, which have been grown from seed, beautiful blue varieties. Queen Mum, that one got from Harrogate Flower Show. So yeah, that's a quick catch up on what's growing in my garden. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. Like videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.